Yes. So in this part we see we have a manufacturing engineering or the manufacturing process are the steps through which raw material are transformed into a final product. The manufacturing process begins with the product design, material specification from which the product is made. Okay. These materials are then modified through manufacturing processes to become a required part. Modern manufacturing includes of all intermediate processes required in the production and integration of a product's components. Some industries such as semiconductor and steel manufacturers use them as the term fabrication instead. Now, semiconductor or device fabrication is the process used to manufacture semiconductor devices, typically the metal oxide devices used in the integrated circuit, IC chips that are present in everyday electrical and electronical devices. Okay, this is one type of industry. The manufacturing sector is closely connected with engineering and industrial design. The major manufacturers in North America, suppose, include General Motors, Operation General Electronic, Procter and Gamble, General Dynamics, Boeing, Pfizer, Precision Cast Parts, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. Example, in Europe, Volkswagen Groups, Siemens, BASF, Michelin. In Asia, it's Toyota, Yamaha, Panasonic, LG, Samsung and Tata Motors. Okay, this is the system. There is manufacturing systems are there, methods of manufacturing are there. Agile manufacturing, fabrication, flexible manufacturing, just-in-time manufacturing, lean manufacturing, manufacturing engineering, mass customization, mass production, numerical control, prefabrication, rapid fabrication, rapid manufacturing, reconfigurable manufacturing system. So there are so many into it. There is an industrial policy also regarding this. What is economics of manufacturing? Okay. So this is all about it. So if we come back to the book, we see that the importance of manufacturing. Now, what is manufacturing again if we come back to that? Examples: food and beverage and tobacco, textile, leather, apparel, wood, paper, printing, petroleum, coal, chemicals, plastic and rubber, non-metallic mineral, primary metal, fabricated metal and machinery, computer and electronics, electrical equipment, appliances and its components. These are manufacturing jobs as well, and these are the type of manufacturings which happen. Examples: it's a business, as in any business, that uses components, parts or raw materials to make more finished, better goods. Automotive companies such as Ford, General Motors are classic examples of manufacturing businesses that utilize advanced technology, assembly lines and human skills to create a finished product. And in this process, there are 4 types of processes, categories as casting and molding, machining, joining, shearing and forming. Okay, we can come to that later. Now, if we go to what are the type of manufacturing industries? I told you in examples of manufacturing, What are the types? Clothing and textile. Companies that process raw wool, cotton and flax to make cloth are categorized under the clothing and textile sector. Okay, that is there. Then we have petrol, we have chemicals, we have transportation. Okay, so everything includes into, everything is interlocked or interrelated. Manufacturing plays a huge role in the modern society. Everything from knitting textiles to oil extraction to steel production falls within this sector of business. The concept of this manufacturing rests upon the idea of transforming these raw materials. The idea is the main thing. I have this raw material, what can I make out of this? The concept of manufacturing rests on that. That is manufacturing. Either it's organic or inorganic. But those products have to be usable and safe for the society. It is classified in many subsections. As I said, clothing and textile. If you have a pen and paper, please you can write it down. It's going to help you out. If not now, in the future it's going to 100%. It's companies that process raw wool, cotton, flax to make cloth categorized under the clothing and textile sector. What does this apply? This apply also uses using wool and cloth to make clothes, outerwear, upholstery, fabrics and bedding. Wool and cloth together. What are upholstery? Upholstery is your decoration of your house, your curtains. Upholstery fabrics and bedding. The output of seamstresses and tailors belong to the clothing and textile sector. Synthetics such as polyester fall under chemical manufacturing. The material, not the product, is at the center of defining this sector. It is the material which is used, manufactured. It is not the product. Petrol and chemical and plastics. Again, another manufacturing subsection. The process of turning chemicals, coal and crude oil into usable products, along with the making of soaps, resins, paints, pesticides, medicines belong to this sector of manufacturing. But again, rubber manufacturing is considered a part of plastic work. This sector of industry also includes the use of crude oil to make certain plastics as well as gasoline and other chemicals. We just cannot, we want coal to burn to light our oven or chula or whatever, we just don't take a shovel or a rod or something, or we just go ahead and dig into the mud and take out the coal and it's going to burn. No. If you want to see how coal is being processed, come to Bengal. Stay for a day, go to Raniganj area and you see how coal is. They take out the coal. Yes, they dig out coal. They literally dig out coal. Local people literally dig out coal. Illegal mining happens. They take out coal. They have to burn it. And again, after it burns, then it's going to re-burn again inside your chula. It's going to give you more heat. That's what, there are different type of coals. There is steam, there is hard, there is hard steam and whatnot is there. Different coals are used for different furnaces. It gives different type of heat and it contains the heat. Okay. Now we come to electronics, computers and transportation. Now you'll think, what is manufacturing got to do with transportation? Transportation plays a very huge role. These fields are closely related: electronics, computer and transportation. They are usually treated as different sectors of manufacturing. Most of these products in this manufacturing sector use electric power and also require power source. Within this sector, you can find all appliances and microprocessors, semiconductors, chips and also audio, video, visual equipment. Now what is transportation? You were thinking that it is going to take me all over the place delivering products. No. The transportation sector is self-defining, as it contains all automobiles, trains, planes that do not fall under other sectors such as metalwork or chemical manufacturing. Okay.
इसलिए जब कुछ नया हो लेना Amazon चेक कर लेना टीवी, फ्रिज, वॉशिंग मशीन.
Okay, so I'll come back in the next video.